I hope you're having a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about farmers market. A bunch of the vendors in the Knoxville, Iowa farmers market got together and we thought, how can we get the word out that we're having this event on Saturdays in Knoxville? And one of the things we came up with is just to get a better Facebook presence and get people to share that we're having a market. And we're also going to be doing fun things at the market. It is a fabulous place to go get fresh veggies, fresh fruits, flowers, all sorts of fun things. But what else can we do to provide something for the community? So one of the things we came up with is maybe a book giveaway. Like maybe we'll give free books to children that come up to the market. Maybe we'll have a day where each of the vendors gives a small thing out to each of the kids that come up to enjoy the market. Knoxville is a big place for sprint cars. So one of the things we have in town is we have a lot of sprint car drivers. And so we thought, well, maybe some of the drivers would want to come up and meet the kids and give signatures. And it would be a fun way for them to be involved in the farmers market as well. So we're trying to brainstorm and come up with different things. I did create a video just thanking all of the people of Knoxville that have joined the farmers market or came out to see us so far. So I'm going to attach that video here. And what I would love to hear from you guys is, what have you done in your farmers market that was a really fun day or fun for the community? Or if you have a good Facebook page, or you know a farmer market with a good Facebook page or a good media page, if you want to comment it down below, I would love to go through and just see like what is some of the content, the informational things that you're teaching the public, and how are you getting the public involved with your farmers market. So I will drop our farmer market link down below in the comments, and if you guys have good suggestions or ideas or things that you love to see, I would love to hear about them. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you have a great day. Hello, I'm today Marsh, a vendor in the Knoxville, Iowa farmers market. And first off, I want to just say thank you to everybody that is following and liking our new page. Sorry, that was kind of a hassle, but we had a lot of people from Tennessee that just harassed us. They always told us the farmers market wasn't happening. So now we have a new page. It says Knoxville, Iowa farmers market, and hopefully we can get all of the people from Knoxville to follow and like this page. So we really need your help getting the word out there, because each one of us has different friends we can share it with, but the farmers market is for the entire community and surrounding communities. So if you can share or tell people about our page, that would be awesome. We would really appreciate it. We also really appreciate all of the support from everybody that has made it up to the farmers market over the last few years, and we're hoping to grow the farmers market. So we are looking for new vendors and new products to come in and make our farmers market something great. What a better way to come up to the Knoxville Square on a Saturday. You can come and hit up the farmers market, grab some fresh produce, grab some freshly baked breads, pies, cookies, grab a bouquet of flowers, get yourself some Scentsy, get yourself some pottery. And a lot of times they're happy to talk with you. They might share recipe ideas. They might give you more information about your fruits and vegetables than you had before. It's a really fun time to come up, and we're going to try to get the community more involved. We're trying to partner with some local businesses, the chamber, possibly the hospital, so that we can add some activities to the farmers market. We want to add live music. We possibly want to do a book giveaway. We have all of these ideas and we want to get them out there. If you have ideas of something you would enjoy or would like to see, maybe we could get that out there. If you have a business and you think, oh, maybe I could go down there for a day and do, this activity, it would be really fun. But it's right there. We have a beautiful courthouse. It's right on the square. You can grab breakfast. You can grab a coffee. You can grab an energy drink. You can grab lunch. You can go shop at some of your local favorite places on the square. And then in the afternoon, if you don't have the kiddos and you want to go grab a drink, you can grab a drink. So you can support a lot of local people in one spot on Saturday morning. And instead of just saying, come support us, we want to offer fun things for the community. So we're trying to rack our brains and come up with a lot of fun stuff to do. So we appreciate you following. Please help us get the word out. And please come and check out the farmers market on a Saturday morning. And just to get the ball rolling, you already know the local businesses on the square. Maybe you don't. Maybe you want to come up and just check out the square. The square has grown quite a bit over the last few years, and there's a lot to offer if you come up there. We're going to be doing a Meet the Vendor profile on Facebook each week. So it can be a video profile, but more than likely, most of these profiles are going to be some pictures and write-ups of who the vendors are and what they have to offer. So expect that coming your way, and expect a lot of fun things from the Knoxville's Farmer Market. We really appreciate your support, and we hope to see you there.